I need to ask sorry. You're asking sorry. You don't need to ask sorry. You are the artist. And to Martin, that you're worried about that he's not liking it. Dear, you're doing a fantastic job. To say sorry that you were going a bit out of track of what his desires were. No, you're not. Don't be. You're totally in peace. You're doing fantastic, dear. There is no expectations. Because that's the beauty of the thing, that each piece will be always totally different. Can you repeat that? I don't understand yet. You do get the... That he can... He's got the total freedom to pick it, to choose it or not. That's for sure. To and then obviously make a second one. Yeah, but we can also make two, that's right. No. Oh, that I need to help you. Clara wants to explain you a thing. Because rhythms of resilience. Dear. Rhythms of resilience took a couple of years because it was all leftover paints. So it just came by chance out. And now that it is to be done on, how do you call it? Order. She says, oh, how is this going to ever come out? Just never even realizing it come. But that's the beauty of it, the trail. And here's another crazy piece that is going to be the story. That this is alpha artist, you saying? Well, I've got a long way to go here. In this world here, I think I missed out completely with my timing. From tears to laughing, isn't that beautiful? I like that. It's my fault that I say to concentrate. No, that Martin, that's coming in that direction of, oh, that is, it's not just done like that, but you're doing it with lots of care. Compared to this, no, this is much nicer. Yeah, I agree with you.
Mama?
A whole bunch of love you're pouring into it. Yes. Oh, that we put an extra layer on it. That's what Clara wants to show you. Yes, that you got extra margin. Now double. You are thankful of your hints and be patient that you will see it day by day. We'll see when we finish. Tomorrow. Oh, we've got still some time.
Mama?
Yeah.
We'll go to the park.